I would say back fuzzy. Oh! Bro, there's like no movement. Everything is seized on this thing. But yeah, my boy wanted to do all black theme. What can we say? We got a pink car here. This one be a lot easier. Oh no. Yeah, this sounds like it's gonna be a nightmare. Oh
Rusted so far.
Bro, that's main bolt. A little morning ruckus. Tub's hard. Bro, my whole life, I've literally had subwoofers in every car, every house, every room in my house. My parents worked at a home theater company. They've been working there for like 38 years or something like that, 37 years. It's called Paradigm Electronics. So if you guys know, all you guys, you know what Paradigm Electronics is. They have Anthem amps and Martin Logan. Honestly, the best home theater you can get in North America. So yeah, I've always had crazy speakers in every car, every house. Like, bro, we have speakers in the washroom. Like, you know what I mean? I'm used to this. Touch black, my ears will stay good for the rest of my life. Oh, yo, here, come. Take a look at this. These are for that beautiful 911 that we did the gloss black PPF on. So stay tuned for this one. Like the style, yeah, it's like an HRE classic. Yeah. But yeah, my boy wanted to do all black theme. You know me, I'm always going in that polished look. Yeah. He wanted it to be just super murdered out, so he wants to blend in. And honestly, the car is gonna look really, really nice regardless. And then we contrasted it nice with a satin face, with the gloss lips, and then we did gloss black bolts. So it came out really nice. Yeah, right? Because it's a big hole. Yeah, like, that's why that's that Porsche style, bro. Yeah. They're staggered out, but they're 20s all the way around. I mean, me, if it was my car, I would have done 2021s or 2122s. You know what I mean? I like to get the wheel well filled, but this is more of that meaty stance. So you're gonna see the stance once we're done with it. It's gonna look sick. How's it going? You're matching the car today. You're going at it. Hi, how's it going?
Coming to Canada next week.
Well, bring her by next time.
I'll bring her by. You're gonna give me a used Rolls Royce?
Yeah, I'll let you use something, don't worry. Dodge Ram RHO, the lookalike to the TRX. Actually, it's honestly a dope truck, to be honest. TRX is way like crazier. It's obviously more horsepower. The suspension's crazier. Different motor. This one's a V6.
Oh, okay. So just like mainly power.
Power and the suspension is completely different. It looks almost the same because of how wide it is. Yeah. But the TRX is still way beefier. Has more add-ons and stuff. But the suspension is crazy because it's like that like dune buggy style suspension, whatever it is, right? Yeah. This one, Von Chrysler. Came in, deconned it, clayed it, multi-polish. Obviously black, you gotta go with that extra step. Full front end paint protection film, even went around the RHO logo there. We did tints on the truck, ceramic coated with a 5-year ceramic coating. We did an immobilizer and tracking system on it. I think there was supposed to be something else that was, oh no, that's the other RHO that's coming. So many RHOs have been coming lately, it's hard to keep track. But yeah, we have another one that's coming from them as well. Yeah, well, I mean, it's pretty stiff there, buddy. Piston's not going back. Because usually I can. Oh yeah, buddy. This is you never service this ever, right? Oh, bro, there's like no movement. There we go. Bro, that's why you had no brakes. You haven't serviced it ever. There's like no grease in the slider pins. All shims are like no anti-seize. See, now it's moving, bro. The other side's like stuck. We're gonna have to really service these. I mean, oh, sakes. No, you can't use a hammer. I'm trying to push the piston back so at least it's free before we take off the brakes. Everything is seized on this thing. Like it's mad, like tight, rusty. It's supposed to be like wet. A little hot tour, you know? Okay, let's get the other side off and then. Oh yeah, it's seized on there, buddy. Did it break the hub yet or no? Doesn't look like it break. Huh? Get the BFH. Get the big whack him. The big H. Nero hasn't used a big H in a hot minute. Yeah, there's a bigger one. Nice. A 10-minute brake job turns in a couple hours because fucking seized. I would stay back, Cuggy. Not the I can't do, you know what I'm saying? You know? Hear that? You know what that sound is? See? Now it moves freely. Pull the skin back a bit. Oh, she's still dry. All right. She's done. Tight, 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 tight. What can we say? We got a pink car here. Another pink car. This pink is actually super dope. It's called Momentum Pink by KPMF. The car came in red, as you've seen in the previous video. I think we did it, what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? It was in the video. So it went from red to Momentum Pink. We did RGB DRLs on it, so you can change them in any color you want. Right now we have it kind of matched to the pink on the exterior. We painted the badges black. We did the reflectors in gloss black. Wheels, Ferrata wheels, done. Also in gloss black. We did color matched calipers with black Brembo logos. These were removed off the car, painted in the body shop, baked in the oven. We put the logo on it, clear coated it, and then baked it again. We did like, I think, more than 10 spray cards. And then we had to order a custom paint just to get it like literally like dead on. Like that's dead on straight to that color. We did the black cat on the side. We did a 5-year ceramic coating on it. We did stars in the ceiling as well. So see the stars. This car was a little bit of a pain in the butt because it's been through some challenges, I could say. So, you know, working with the car was very, very tough, but, you know, we pulled through. Sometimes stuff like this happens where you have to deal with, you know, cars that have been damaged and yeah, so like it had undercoating everywhere. We actually did the door jambs and then had to remove it. You know, like we don't have to hide shit, like, you know, stuff happens, right? So we did the door jambs completely and literally it was not sticking anywhere because it was undercoating everywhere. Like every crevice you could think of, undercoating is seeping out of. So it wasn't working out and I don't like to leave work that looks like crap. So we removed it. But yeah, we faced a lot of challenges with this car with painted panels. It's been in an accident. You know, we had the bumpers off. There was bars all bent. There was a bunch of stuff that was just wrong with the car. And I made sure, you know, we took pictures and videos of the whole thing before. Again, the car still came out really good for one of our good friends. And I'm sure she's gonna be stoked to see this. You guys are definitely gonna see it on the road. It is very, very bright. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna see it on the camera properly. You have to grade this thing properly with your camera, bro. But it is a beautiful like highlighter pink. It has a metallic in it, so when you're in the sun, you're gonna see it, you know, change kind of to like a purpley blue almost shade, and it has a metallic in it. And then obviously you'll have that straight pink in certain angles. So it's pretty dope. It's a fuchsia color pretty much. Take a look. That's what we can do, guys. The ones in the box we're using, so we'll put those ones in there.
We're not taking the stock exhaust off again.
Yeah, that was a pain, right? It was a pain in the ass, I know. This one be a lot easier for sure. You think we'll need new gaskets? I didn't get
Gaskets?
new. Yeah. That's the titanium tips.
Oh,
Instead, I'm going with just polish, just to keep it clean. Make see the difference in size.
Oh,
Hey.
It looks like you can almost overlap it.
Yeah. I thought they were bigger for some reason. Nah, it's a fucking.
Actually, yeah, they're
it's the same size. Why did I think they were? I thought they were 4 inches for some reason. It's the same, but just not beveled, right?
Well,
Anyways, I want the
remember
polish.
the cent is the bigger one, but the diameter on the rear was too big or something like that?
Yeah, but that
We
shouldn't
have it set
matter.
at the shop.
Yeah. But those are bigger than this? I want a dog so bad, bro. I want an American Bully so bad. My wife will have a heart attack. One day I'm gonna home with a bully and I don't give a My wife's terrified of dogs. Like, I'm like, why? Like, and then she's trying to make eldest son scared. I'm like, don't do that. Like, don't make him scared. My youngest is like, hand in the mouth. Fuck, like he's a rebel. Ethan's like, oh my God. Yep. Yep, there we go. Good thing it weighs nothing. It's crazy how light this. So on that one, it's crazy how they made it flat. We made it like that. Oh no. Yeah, this sounds like it's gonna be a nightmare. Which boat was that?
that one right there.
Oh my God.
Look how bad it is.
Oh
Rusted
my
so bad.
Work on cars.
Yeah,
Canada, yeah.
in Canada. Yeah, for sure. Bro, that's a bolt.
Way up in there.
Yeah, you can't.
The only
You can't.
you got is the
Like, will
it is.
it drop down though? Oh, oh yeah, it'll drop still. That's actually rotted. Bro. It's 7 a.m. Close the toolbox. I'm out of here. The main bolts for the K-frame broke. Oh my God. Yo, we should probably spray it with some WD and let it soak, no?
Yeah, but how are you supposed to soak it? It's up in.
Oh yeah, it's up there, yeah. Yeah. This, pour some gasoline and light it on fire type shit. Guys, thank you guys so much. Guys, thank you guys. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for supporting. We've been doing a lot of content for you guys. You know how busy we are, so we try to keep going for you guys, obviously. So if there's anything you guys want to see, make sure you guys put it in the comments below because we want to try to do things a little bit different and we want to see what you guys like to see, what you guys don't like to see. You know, maybe we'll bring in some funny content too, some BTS moments. You guys have been loving the stuff on Instagram, so we're going to keep that coming for you guys. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Take care.